witness celebrations throughout the year. Each unit to a specific religion or region. The festival of lights, Diwali, is celebrated by Hindus, Jains, and Sikhs. It is a time of joy, symbolizing the victory of light over darkness. Similarly, Eid-ul-Fitr, a festival of Muslims, is marked by communal prayers and feasts, spreading the message of unity and compassion. During Christmas, Christians come to celebrate the birth of Jesus Christ and emphasizing the values of love and forgiveness. These festivals are not isolated events, but the reflection of the inclusive spirit that permeates Indian society. In this vast and diverse nation, language can change every few hundred kilometers, custom differ from one region to another, and the cuisine is a delightful blend of flavors. Yet, beneath this diversity lies a strong sense of brotherhood and unity, binding the people together as one. The Constitution of India, framed in 1950, plays a pivotal role in nurturing unity in diversity. It enshrines principle that guarantees equality, freedom, and justice for all citizens, regardless of their background. India needs harmony and diversity with a focus on India, a nation that exemplifies this concept like no other. One aspect that distinguishes India is its cultural dances like Bharatanatyam, Kathak, and classical music, traditional art forms like Madhubani paintings, and Wagli art are cherished by people across the country.